Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date because I am daily posting new and latest AI tools. In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily create website just by giving some of the information related to your business, and within seconds you can easily generate website through AI, and it is very easy. You can edit it, you can adjust your website according to your requirements. Okay, so let's move towards the video. First we will search for 10web.io, and here is the website. Just enter this website, and after scrolling down you can see an option of AI e-commerce website builder, and just click on generate your website. First select your store type. I am selecting online store, and then click on next, and here just type your store name like digital marketing services, and here you need to describe your store like I am describing that it is a one-stop shop for all your digital marketing needs, and we offer a services of digital marketing. Just click on next, and here you need to add your first 3 products with categories: digital marketing consultancy and SEO and pay-per-click advertising. These are all the digital marketing services. Click on next, select your formal store, and you need to sign up. Just sign up with your Google account, and it will take a few seconds, or maybe if you have a good internet connection then it will take less time, and your website will be ready within seconds. And here just you click on preview and edit, and you can see all the information which we have provided is already present on this website. So here you can choose the color of your font, and this is the mobile view as how it looks like in mobile phone. So, and here you can edit your website and adjust. So that's all from today. I hope you like this video. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date on all my latest videos on AI tools.